Hey guys, welcome back to this new vlog. I'm here adding some stop leak to this AC system in my car. It's been leaking, so if you have any leak on your system, this is a way that you could, very cheap and easy way to solve this issue. Alright, come along with me. Remember guys to like, subscribe to the channel for more details and more content. Thank you.
Millard. Inside that today. And you can't find it.
Just tell him what you want. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But away from that, did he answer you and tell you anything if him about thing? Hmm. And you know answer and you know answer you and tell him say more get back home.